In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trim an image to the parts that matter, whether you want a clean square, a circular profile style crop, or a custom shape that frames your content just right. Start by signing in and opening the Miro board that contains the image you want to edit. Give the board a second to load fully so all tools are available. This ensures the editing toolbar appears as expected once you select your image. Click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. If nothing appears, try clicking once more or zooming in slightly for precision. Selecting the image is key because it triggers the contextual toolbar you'll use for cropping. With the image selected, look for the mask and crop icon in the toolbar. It often looks like two overlapping squares. Click it to enter Miro's cropping and masking mode. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure the image is still selected. The toolbar only appears for active selections. Now choose how you want the crop to look. If you want a quick, polished shape, pick a preset like a circle or a square. Miro will automatically mask the image into that shape, giving you a clean result in a single click. If you prefer more control, choose the custom option. This lets you drag the corners and sides of the crop area to define exactly what stays in frame. As you adjust, think about the focal point you want to highlight. Faces, key text, or important visuals, and position the crop box so they sit comfortably within the frame. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big visual difference. If the image is large, zoom in for finer control, and if you need to see more context, zoom out to keep the composition balanced. When the crop looks right, apply it by pressing the escape key or simply clicking away from the image. That action finalizes the crop and returns you to the board. The great part is that cropping in Miro is non-destructive, so if you change your mind, just select the image again, re-enter mask and crop, and refine the shape or the custom frame without starting over. That's all you need to cleanly crop images in Miro. Open your board, select the image, use mask and crop, pick a shape or customize the frame, and then apply. Practice a couple of times and you'll be able to consistently create sharp, focused visuals that make your boards look professional and clear.